It's good to see you here again. We are on the way to finish this module of the basics of classical guitar, and I hope you've been enjoying this course so far. Last time we learned about the technique of the right hand, so today we'll talk about the left hand technique, which is very important to start playing melodies and chords. Let's start with the mechanics. The mechanics of the left hand are quite simple, but there are a few things you have to pay attention to in order to make your life a bit easier when learning how to play the guitar. Basically, the function of the left hand is merely to press the strings within the frets to change their pitch. Every fret you press changes the pitch of that string into a higher tone, and each fret you move to the right or towards the sound box of the guitar rises that string by half or semitone. In the beginning, I recommend to play the notes, keeping your hand always in the same position. This means that your first finger may stay always on the first fret, and in the case you need to play another note, another fret, you would probably shift your first finger towards that note rather than using another finger to press the same note. So if you want to play a note on the second fret in any string, you would press with the second finger. The same goes for the third fret, which is pressed with the third finger, and the fourth fret with the fourth finger. This way you don't have to move your hand too much because everything is reachable. In this case, we want to start using all the fingers to have more stability and flexibility in this hand. To play the A note, we use the fifth string open. If you want to play the B, then you need to press the string on the second fret using the second finger. When we lift this finger, we have A again. The C note, we press the fifth string, but now on the third fret using the third finger. So A, open, B, second fret, and the C, third fret. The D note is also an open string, and if we press that string on the second fret, we have an E. If we lift, we have a D again. And this is how it works. If you want to play without much tension and with clean notes, you would want to keep your frets pressed right before the bar, not in the center or on the left side, which is tenser, but here. Another good habit is to keep the thumb placed against the second finger and not too high or too low, but in the center of the fretboard. That will make that your hand is not misplaced and that it will stay always steady. If you'd like to practice this, check out the exercises I made for you and download the PDF attached. On the next lesson, we will finally employ what you have learned until now with a simple piece of music that I think you will enjoy. Stay tuned and I'll see you then.